Alright guys, so this is the aftermath. All looking 2021-ish again. Yes. Y'all, those mats right there, I have to like wash them some other type of way. Y'all. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mahalia and I'm back with another video. As you can tell by the title, you guys are gonna come clean with me today. And clean my car out. You guys, I don't know how long I had my car for. 6 months, I think I've been had my car for 6 months, you guys, and I have not cleaned, like deep cleaned it out yet. So I'm gonna go to the Dollar Tree and I'm gonna find some things, you know, to clean, like to help clean out my car with, you guys. And yeah, so we're gonna clean my car out today, y'all. Really don't have nothing to do. Today is like a gloomy day. Looks like it's about to rain, but you know, fall is here, so I don't know if it's just because it's fall, but yeah guys, so you guys gonna clean my car out with me today. And that's about it, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below, hit that post notification bell so you know when to upload. And yeah, you guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to comment down some videos you want me to do. Y'all stopped, well, first y'all didn't even comment for a while, and then 2 people had commented some other stuff that I was like, I really can't do that. But yeah, you guys, comment down some things I should do, you guys, because I really don't. I be like not really knowing what to do. That's another reason why my videos don't come out, because I really don't know what to video about. So yeah, tell me what you want. But yeah, you guys, so I'm gonna get back with you. I'm gonna go into the store and I'm gonna find some things from the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna show you pretty much what I'm gonna get when I get back in the car. So yeah, peace.
Dollar Tree.
Alright, y'all. Alright guys, so this is some stuff I got. It's some simple stuff. I got these fiber towels, you guys. Let me see. I got this from the Dollar Tree, y'all. It's microfiber cleaning towels. Can y'all see it? Yeah, literally. This is it. In blue and green. Y'all know what microfiber towels are, so. And then I got this multi-purpose auto cleaning, like it's for your surface. They had the spray one for your tires too. Y'all know what this is. I don't, there you go. They also got some for your tires, but I didn't get any of that. And then I got some disposable gloves, you guys. And then y'all got simple stuff. This is just to clean out the inside of my car. I'm at the car wash right now. I'm just pretty much gonna vacuum my car. I should wash it, like go through the car wash or whatever, but I guess I'm not. But I should, but I'm not. So sorry guys. And then anyways, so my car's not that messy either, so it shouldn't even take us that long at all. Like my car's not even messy. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's not even messy. I'll show y'all in a minute. But I also got this bucket to put the stuff in, the storage in there in my car. Yeah, that's all I got. We're about to get started, you guys. My car is not that messy, but I am going to show you guys. Literally, this is what I bought today. All this is what I bought today. I have a little declutter under here, down here. This is by my foot, you guys. I don't know if y'all can see it. Y'all, literally, my car's not dirty. And then I got crumbs in the back seat. And then on the floorboard, it looked like, yo, my car is really not dirty at all. It's a barely anything. And then the surfaces do need to be wiped off a little bit because they are a little dusty. I can't see it because my car's not that dirty. But yeah, you guys, so I'm gonna get started in cleaning my car. I don't know how I'm gonna show you guys how I'm cleaning my car, but I'm planning to I guess I could just use a bag for the, y'all, my car is not messy at all. Like, what am I supposed to use for you guys? Yeah.
Another trash right here. I got some receipts and stuff. Okay. Yeah, I did not uncook rights to any of that beat or anything, whatever that's somebody else's car. It has nothing to do with me, so I'm so sorry. Don't let somebody do my car. These are some receipts, some thrown away. No, who's this? Yep. Yep. This is stuff I do not need. I got my receipt for this stuff. And I got this. What is this? No, this is another receipt. Yeah, I have a lot of receipts. I used to collect them so I can scan it in this little thing, but I don't collect them anymore, so I don't need them. Y'all have hella glasses in here. Hella glasses, like, I need to stop cluttering this stuff up, but yeah, I got hella glasses in here as well. And this is my work little badge. I got some, I don't know, some coupons and stuff. Some Winko, some food plates. Really good groceries. Yeah. I don't have that much in my car to show y'all how to declutter it. Mess. Trash. That's disgusting to keep your mess in your car, so y'all don't do it. I just, you know, got a little bit of a habit. Yeah, this is my hand sanitizer that I keep in here, so that'll stay right there. All the stuff that I'm keeping in my car, I'm keeping it on the side. Some more hand sanitizer. But yeah, that is literally it for my car. I keep my car clean. I'm clean, you know. Got some charges and stuff. I do have to wipe down good. That's one thing I would say that my car's nasty about. Needing to be wiped down now. Really. I got all kinds of sticky stuff everywhere. Disgusting. But that's okay. Got some clothes right here. Got some little coupon things. I got some change up in this thing. Yeah. I have absolutely nothing in my car. I'm trying to look for some things. I have nothing. I might be wipe down and then use the vacuum. Oh, should I wipe down? I'm gonna wipe down first and then use the vacuum. That'll be done to do that. So, let me wipe down first. I wish I used my gloves, but I don't need to. Yeah, I'm trying to read it. So I'm not supposed to wet this allow this to dry on surface, so I'm gonna wet this a little bit to wipe the stuff off.
I was asking this lady because there was nowhere to put the coins for the vacuum, so I was like, where are we supposed to vacuum this at, y'all? But it's free, period. I'll take it, y'all. Okay, anyways, you're supposed to spray it on here, and they say allow it to sit for a little bit or whatever. I don't know why, but hey, I don't ask no questions. It said don't let it dry on there, so let me get the wiping. Ooh, shoot, y'all. Oh shoot, I'm clicking some things. Let me switch my back. Okay, see me? Ooh. Y'all, my car is not even dirty. I don't know what to do because y'all, my windshield wipers are on. I'm cleaning my screen and everything. Y'all, these people looking at me because my windshield wipers were on. See me? Y'all, that's my trash. My little bit of trash. No, actually, that's stuff on my seat. That's the little bit of trash I have. Y'all, I don't need to get out my car to wipe my stuff down. I'm just letting y'all know that. Sorry, I'm getting a little distracted. There's people acting crazy over here. Ooh, y'all, my car looks clean as ever when I wipe it down. Yeah. Y'all, I don't own rights to none of that music if you hear it. That's not my music. That's not mine. So, sorry. That's not my music. I don't own no rights. Please don't flag my video. I have nothing to do with it, sir. Sorry, time's on there. Look how dirty this part is, y'all. This is so dirty. So I'm gonna show y'all the clean effect of it when I get done. I think I'm gonna spray it. They pretty much said areas like this that, you know what I'm saying, you might have to scrub it, which I did a little bit. So y'all, if y'all wondering why I don't have a thing hanging on my mirror, because y'all, I like the new car smell, so I don't have a little thing on my mirror. I did have one at first, but the smell of it like went away. It's old, like it's done for, so I don't have it anymore. But y'all,
my inside of my computer was,
oh my god, y'all, oh my god, look at this, disgusting. Yeah, that's inside my cup holder. Oh my gosh, nasty, so nasty. Oh my gosh, disgusting. Where do I get glitter from? Oh my god. Y'all, look at my hair. Y'all, my camera's not focusing, but y'all, I'm hot and sweaty. I still have this clutter right here I still have to do something with, but so far, y'all, my car is cleaned. I need to find a way to clean these mats. I think I have to scrub them at home, but other than that, it's clean back here. So y'all, I'm sweating like a dog. Look, ridiculous. Let me find something to wipe my face with, because baby girl, nothing. All right guys, so this is the aftermath. All looking 2021-ish again. Yes, y'all, those mats right there, I have to like wash them some other type of way. Y'all, 2020-ish back here. Yes, yes, look at that. Y'all, oh, clean indeed. Oh, clean indeed. Oh, clean indeed. Oh, don't look at them toes. Uh-oh. No, you guys, so the car's all clean and did up, you guys. Yeah, so if you don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm sorry, y'all, cannot speak today. You guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below, hit that post notification bell so you know when I upload. And yeah, you guys, I'll see you in my next video. Because anyways, y'all, yeah, so I'll see you on my next video. Peace.